Have you guys seen these short films and like vertical videos that go up on Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, and they're basically like different characters doing different things? What if we could actually create these like full 60-second short films? And what if it only took a couple clicks? Like we didn't need to jump between tools. We didn't know how to do any video editing. We don't even really need to know how to prompt very good. So some examples, we can do character vlogs, music videos, explainer videos, all with just a few clicks, and the characters remain consistent. So the characters don't change between scenes. So let's go ahead and take a look at a few community examples that have already been created, and then I will show you step by step how we can actually make our own character vlogs. And yes, you can train your own model off of a character that you've created. So if you have images of a character that you have created, you can upload them, make your own character, and then essentially follow the same process that I'm going to show you here. So yes, you can customize this for your own AI characters. And I don't know about you guys, but I don't like switching between different tools as much as possible. And what OpenArt does, which is the tool we're inside of right now, basically OpenArt combines all of the AI image and video models into one platform, so everything is centralized. With everything being centralized, that means that I can try out different video models and different image models by simply switching between them at a simple click, and then I can try out lots of different examples to see which one fits my creative vision the best. So instead of switching between tools or generating an image over here and then taking that image and putting it in to a video tool, we can do all of that here inside of OpenArt, train characters, we can do bulk creations, and the main theme of today's video is the one-click story. So let's go ahead and take a look at a few examples here.
Every small step forward builds the bridge from where you are to where you dream to be. Obstacles will rise like mountains, climb anyway. When storms test your resolve, remember they forge resilience. Keep moving until the horizon greets you with new light. Celebrate progress with those who walk beside you.
Okay, so that one's not bad. That one's almost like a motivational, inspirational type short video. This one, they used the explainer video template, so I'm going to show you how to do this here in a second, but let's look at a couple other examples.
Looked up and wondered, why is the sky blue? It all starts with sunlight shining down from our smiling sun. Sunlight is actually made of all colors mixed together, like a glowing rainbow traveling through the air.
So keep in mind, all of this was generated in one go. They didn't need to do any video editing. They didn't need to stitch anything together. It's all created from a simple prompt and a character.
Trimming Kitty's nails doesn't have to feel scary. A calm corner and a few simple tools set the stage for success. Swaddle your feline in a soft towel, one paw peeking out like a mitt. Let them investigate the clippers. Curiosity melts away work.
And then you can notice there are a lot of different art styles as well. This one's more like animated, Studio Ghibli kind of. And so you can choose whether you want photorealistic stories, or you want something that's a little bit more animated, or even this like little mini world style where it's got like tiny people. It has several different styles that we can choose from, and pretty much every AI image model is in here. So if you go over to images and you look at all of the different models in here, they've got pretty much everything that you might need. And then videos, same thing. They've got pretty much all the video models in here. So whether you're doing text to video or image to video or even elements to video, where you upload multiple elements and it combines the video, so everything is in one central location. You can also do audio upload and do lip syncing as well. So the tool that we're using is called OpenArt, and they do have a free version, so I'll have a link in the video description that you can sign up for. You can also get 10% off any of their subscriptions with the discount code that I've included in the description. And I would eventually get a essential or advanced plan so that you actually have more credits and that you actually have the ability to create more videos. But getting started out on a free plan or essential plan is not a bad idea at all. So link for that in the video description. To actually create a character vlog video, we can click on story in the top left. Then we can go to character vlog and click create. And so here's where you actually choose the character. Obviously they've got some presets in here, some that we can use. But most of us are probably interested in the custom character upload, so hit custom right here. Then on this screen, you can go ahead and name your character and then upload an image of your character. They do also give you the option to train a character for higher consistency. So if you want even more consistency, you're going to use this option right here. But I'm just going to upload one photo of my character, and that's all that we need. And in this case, it's going to be Bigfoot Secret Service. I figure maybe we can have him going through some sort of story where he maybe is kind of like Men in Black style, dealing with aliens or something like that. So what we could do is go ahead and hit create character, and we can go ahead and describe the story. So this is the second step. So we're going to say discovers that cats are actually from another planet. Okay, so you could go through here and actually describe scene by scene what is happening. I'm just going to give it a simple prompt because it's way easier to do it this way. But if you want to describe scene by scene and actually have more control over what's happening, you can. And you can also generate your scripts with AI tools like ChatGPT, for example, and paste your script in here. But I'm going to go ahead and just do a simple prompt like this. So far, this has been super easy to use. Now we just need to choose our aspect ratio. I'm going to do 9:16 because that's the vertical format that we're seeing all of these viral AI videos in on TikTok, Instagram, YouTube. We're seeing all different types of these AI character vlogs doing really well. The background music, you can do auto select. You can do Suno song. So if you do a Suno song, you can just paste the link from Suno right here. And so that's a really cool option. You can also upload a song, or you can choose a trending song with a specific feeling. But I'm just going to go ahead and let it choose the music for me. The advanced settings just give you more control over which model you're using. So which image model do you want to use, and which video model would you like to use? And so I'm going to go ahead and do the Kling 2.1 Pro. And then I'm also going to select for our image model that we do GPT High. And then let's go ahead and create this story. Now this will cost 1,000 credits. If you're on the free plan, you might not be able to generate an entire story with the amount of credits that you have. You can always go in and edit the story once it's made. So I'm going to hit create story, and then it's going to do everything behind the scenes. I can go over to another tab and go ahead and do some other generations or some other thing that I need to get done, or I can walk away and come back, but it is working on our story here in the background. So we're going to come back here once this is done. Usually takes about 5 minutes. I honestly have no idea how it's going to look. All right, it looks like we got our final video back. Looks like it's 28 seconds long. Did take about 5 minutes. And so just keep in mind, it chose the music for us because we didn't choose the music. We did auto. And then, you know, it's choosing the scenes and everything too. All I did was put in a simple, very, very simple prompt, and then one image of my reference character that I want to put in the video. So keep in mind, you can get way more detailed than what this one's probably going to look like, but let's go ahead and watch it. Okay, so it's not 100% perfect, but if we spent a little bit more time on this, we could actually make it way better. So this is a simplified video editor view, and we can actually just click on the actual scene that we want to change. So what about this scene right here where he's running and it doesn't really work? And so what we can do is we can change this prompt. We could say Bigfoot using a red laser pointer to distract a calico cat. And then what we can do is we can change the speed. We can slow this down a little bit, maybe to 1.25. Okay, so after you put your prompt in, you can go ahead and just click retry video, and then it's going to generate the scene off to the left right here, to where you, once this is done generating, you can just switch between your preferred scene. There's also the option to change the video speed. If you click on any of these clips, it'll let you actually change the video speed to make it faster or slower depending on what you need. And then you can also change the volume on the clip as well. And this looks so much better. This is the scene that we regenerated. He's got the laser pointer, we got the calico cat. So again, if you just come in here and you actually direct this scene by scene, you can actually have a lot of control over how the story plays out. The character is really consistent throughout this, and I again took the short path, the fast path, and just uploaded a quick photo. But you can also train an entire character based off of different angles of their face and different body shots and compositions and different clothing and stuff like that. So OpenArt actually allows you to create a consistent character way easier than some other ways that I've seen before in the past. But this is just using a simple photo. With just a photo, it was able to fill in all of the details here. So again, if you just want to switch any of your clips, tap on the clip, put in a new prompt if you need to, retry the video, and then you can switch the clip that you're using over here. And so we choose this one, and now here's what it looks like. And then you can also change the viewpoint up here at the top over to storyboard, and now it actually shows you scene by scene what's happening, and you can change each scene. So I really like how they also let you retry the image. Like if you're not happy with the image here, you can retry that, only for 5 credits. And then if you want to retry the video, it's only 100 credits. So OpenArt definitely allowing us to work in a more simplified way when it comes to creating full stories, because now we can just go in here and edit what we need to, retry an image, retry a video, and then export the entire thing. Okay, so now I want to go ahead and try an explainer video where, you know, you're trying to explain a concept. So when we click create, we have the ability to actually voiceover script. So we can put in our own script here, and then a voiceover will automatically explain what it needs to. So let's do something like a top 5 list of America's creepiest caves to visit and why. And so let's just say that's what we're doing, right? It could be any concept. You could be like, you know, show the top 3 apex predators in Africa or something like that. So it doesn't really matter. You can even put in an entire script in here, up to 900 characters. And this video can actually be up to 1 minute long. All right, so top 5 creepiest caves to visit and why. We got photorealistic selected. We're gonna do 9:16. Voice actor is gonna be auto. But of course we could go in here and actually choose a voice actor for this. Background music, once again, is going to set to auto select, but we can use Suno or upload a song or something like that if we want to. But I'm just going to go ahead and leave it on auto select. And then once again, it gives us the option here to choose the model that we want to use. This time, let's go ahead and use Flux Context, and then we'll use Kling 2.1 Standard. And let's create the story. Now again, you can go ahead and write an entire script and use that. You don't need to just put in a prompt like I did. Like if you want to have an actual script and just paste it in there, you totally can. But you can also just put in the general concept and it will fill in the script for you like it's going to for this particular video. So it's up to you and how you want to go ahead and create these. But I'm just going to go ahead and let it do its thing, and I want to see how it actually turns out without much intervention from me. Okay, so I have to admit, I'm pretty impressed with this one. Let's go ahead and play it.
Ready for a road trip into darkness? Here are America's top 5 creepiest caves and what makes them unforgettable. Number 5, Moaning Cavern, California, home to the largest single-chamber drop in the U.S. and a pit where prehistoric bones still rest. Number 4, Bell Witch Cave, Tennessee. Locals swear you can hear the famous poltergeist whisper when the river breeze rushes through. Number 3, Luray Caverns, Virginia, where a pipe organ turns live stalactites into eerie music that echoes for miles. Number 2, Carlsbad Caverns, New Mexico. Stand silent in the big room and feel the abyss swallow every sound, except the nightly swarm of bats. Number 1, Mammoth Cave, Kentucky, the world's longest cave system. Guides report phantom footsteps trailing their tour. Pack a flashlight and maybe some courage before you descend.
All right, really good for being something that's generated in like 5 minutes from one prompt, right? I'm pretty impressed with that one. But again, if you were wanting specific images of the caves, for example, because I doubt that those are any sort of like real representations of what they look like, you could go in here and go into the editor mode and actually switch out the videos to have real videos of the cave or real photos of what the cave looks like. But you know, we're going for simplicity here. We're not going for the long way. And so, you know, you could edit this story and you could change anything about it. But I like how it looks, so we can just go ahead and download this. And if we want to remove the watermark, because you guys have seen that watermark that's on the video, all we need to do is just remove it and then export again and download. So once we do this, we will have the actual video that we can use. So export again and download, and then we'll have that video without a watermark, and it'll be ready to upload to TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, wherever we decide to put that video. So this is the one-click story feature from OpenArt. I think this is going to help a lot of you that maybe feel like there's way too many tools happening all at once. There's way too many steps to get the final video, and maybe it's someone that just really doesn't like video editing. This is going to be a strategy that you can use to start producing videos with the simplest possible inputs, maybe one to two photos and a simple prompt. Definitely try out OpenArt. There's a link for that in the video description below. And if you're not wanting to do entire stories, they also have every model integrated for videos and for images. So if you want to do text, you've got all of these model options over here. If you want to do images, once again, we've got Veo 3, Kling 2.1, Vidu or Vidu, however you say it. So they've got all different types of models in here that you can use for videos, and it's as simple as clicking on the one that you want to use. Then they walk you through step by step exactly what to upload. So in this case, if we're doing image to video, we're going to drop an image here, and then we're also going to have audio on, and then resolution, we're going to do 1080p. Now keep in mind, this does cost a lot more credits for Veo 3, but if we switch over to something like Kling 2.1, it's only 100 credits. Hailu standard is only 100 credits per generation. So you do have much more affordable options. You also have element to video. So if you upload up to 4 different elements, it will combine them to make a unique video. So for example, if you combined a skateboard and a Bengal cat and a city background, it would have a Bengal cat skateboarding in a city. So the idea behind this is that you could do some really cool creative combinations with products that you're selling or something like that. Audio here, if you wanted to lip sync your video up because it's not lip synced and you want to take some audio and actually lip sync it to the video, you can go over here to audio, drag your video in here, and then go ahead and do the lip sync features. But again, just being able to switch seamlessly between different image generators and different video generators. And if I at any point in time need to create a character and then use that character continuously across many different generations, I definitely can. And finally, the one-click story mode is definitely where I think OpenArt shines. So guys, I do look at the comments. If you want to leave me a comment below, let me know what you need help with. Give me some feedback on this video, what went well, what went bad. Good, bad, ugly, let me know. I read every single comment and I appreciate you guys. If you haven't subscribed yet, consider subscribing. I also have a free Facebook group where like-minded people and myself are sharing strategies that we don't really share here on YouTube, so you can join that for free. And finally, if you do need one-on-one support, I can jump on a Zoom call with you for 30 minutes and I can take a look at the problem that you're having. We can knock it out and then you can be on your way. So the link for that is in the video description below. You can book a call with me. The link for OpenArt is in the video description. Don't forget that you can get 10% off any membership for OpenArt if you use the discount code specifically for being a part of this channel, and you use that discount code. You are going to get 10% off any of the plans. I hope you have an amazing rest of your day. I hope you have fun creating with OpenArt or just creating in general. Create something awesome. See you in the next video.